Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can create a Notion task list. So basically, first things first, you want to head over into your Notion dashboard. From here, to create a new table or task list, you just want to navigate through the private category, click on the Add New button. You can also click on the Shared if you want a shared table, but in my case, I'm going to create from my private table right here. Once again, you just want to click on the plus icon. And from here, you then want to click on the Add New. Now inside, we have templates that we can go ahead and use. For example, we have empty page, empty databases, but in our case, to make things easier, we just have to choose the task tracker. From here, you just have to click on continue, and then you will be able to have the ability to customize your task the way you want to. For example, we have the improve website copy. We can then go ahead and click on not started. We have priority, due date, and more. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.